A while back, Samsung announced that they would be transitioning from its own texting app to Google Messages. This seems to only be happening in certain regions, and it looks like they're doing it for RCS compatibility. So if you're about to make the move, or you just want to make sure that you have a backup of your texts, then follow along with me today as I show you an application that I've been working on that can handle all of that for you. It's called ADB Buzz, SMS Backup and Restore, and that's 80BEE Buzz. And you can download it for free in the Google Play Store right now. Here's the app page, and I'll be sure to include the link down in the video description below. So once the app has been installed, we open it up, and we're going to tap on the big backup button up here at the top. ADB Buzz will ask you where you want this backup to be saved and what you want the file name to be called. Now, while the application backs up your SMS text messages from within Samsung Messages, you can follow along with the progress within the notification here. ADB Buzz pulls a copy of those text messages and saves it into a JSON file that we set up earlier. You can choose to move this file to another device if you wanted to. You could also upload it to a cloud storage service like Google Drive for safekeeping. But you can also just choose to keep a local copy of those texts directly on your phone. This is your data, so you don't have to worry about it being saved within the application at all. I'm not even collecting any usage or diagnostic information within the app. So feel free to give it a try, and please share it with everyone that you know who has a Samsung Galaxy smartphone with One UI installed on it.